Subaru just implemented 6 genius engineering changes to the 2026 Crosstrek that completely eliminate the compromises buyers have been forced to accept for years. If you've been stuck choosing between affordability and actual capability, or between fuel efficiency and real-world power, these updates solve every one of those frustrating trade-offs. While most automakers make minor tweaks and call it a new model year, Subaru overhauled everything from the base powertrain to life-saving safety technology that didn't exist before. Here are all 6 genius changes in the 2026 Subaru Crosstrek, explained in detail. Number 6. More capable base powertrain? The 2026 Crosstrek is discontinuing the underpowered 2.0-liter engine entirely. Every single trim level now comes standard with the 2.5-liter naturally aspirated engine. Anyone who's driven a base model Crosstrek knows the frustration of merging onto busy highways. You press the accelerator, the engine revs high, but the actual acceleration feels painfully slow. Passengers get nervous as semi-trucks bear down in your mirrors. That white-knuckle experience happens because the old 2.0-liter engine simply didn't have enough grunt for real-world driving conditions. The new standard 2.5-liter unit delivers 182 horsepower and 178 pound-feet of torque, a substantial jump over the old base engine's 152 horsepower and 145 pound-feet. When you're climbing mountain passes or navigating steep inclines with a full load, the additional low-end torque makes a dramatic difference. The engine no longer strains and struggles. Instead, it responds with smooth, confident acceleration. Subaru paired this engine with a Lineartronic CVT that's been specifically tuned to maximize the 2.5 liters capabilities. If you've been holding off on buying a Crosstrek because the base engine felt gutless, that concern is now completely irrelevant. But more power means nothing if you're constantly stopping at gas stations, which is exactly why the next change might be even more important. Number 5. Next generation hybrid powertrain. For years, the Crosstrek Hybrid felt like an afterthought, a mild improvement that didn't justify its premium price tag. That's changing in a major way. The 2026 model year introduces an all-new hybrid powertrain that's been engineered from the ground up specifically for the Crosstrek platform. The new hybrid setup combines a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine with 2 electric motors, creating a total system output that goes up to 194 horsepower. What makes this system exceptional is how the electric motors deliver instant torque at low speeds, exactly when you need it most for pulling away from a stop on a steep hill or navigating tight parking garage ramps. Here's what Crosstrek loyalists will appreciate most. Subaru's legendary symmetrical all-wheel drive remains completely intact. Many hybrid crossovers compromise their all-wheel drive systems to accommodate electric components. One rear wheel spins uselessly on slippery surfaces because the electric motor can't distribute power properly. Subaru refused to make that trade-off. The engineering team integrated the hybrid components without sacrificing any of the off-road capability or foul-weather confidence that defines the Crosstrek. But impressive powertrains don't mean much if the cabin feels outdated every time you climb inside, which brings us to the interior transformation. Number 4. Interior digitalization. While rivals showcase fully digital instrument clusters and seamless technology integration, the Crosstrek has been stuck with traditional analog gauges and a tech interface that feels outdated. Subaru is finally addressing this gap. The biggest visual change coming to the 2026 interior is the availability of a fully digital instrument cluster. The new 12.3-inch digital display replaces the old analog speedometer and tachometer with a customizable high-resolution screen that can be configured to show exactly the information each driver prioritizes. Among other things, the new digital cluster is displaying real-time all-wheel drive power distribution, pitch and roll angles, and tire pressure. Subaru is upgrading the infotainment system with faster processing power, crisper graphics, and improved touch response. Previous generations suffered from laggy interfaces. You'd tap the screen to skip a song, nothing happens, you tap again, and suddenly it skips 3 tracks. The new system responds instantly, making every interaction smoother. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are now coming standard across the entire lineup, eliminating cluttered cables. USB-C ports are replacing the older USB-A connections, ensuring compatibility with modern devices and faster charging speeds. The technology updates create a much more modern driving environment. But if you think that's impressive, the safety upgrades are where Subaru really separates itself from the competition. Number 3. Updated and upgraded safety features. The 2026 model is receiving the latest iteration of Subaru's EyeSight driver assistance technology, featuring upgraded cameras with wider field of view capabilities and enhanced image processing. These improvements allow the system to detect potential hazards earlier and with greater accuracy, particularly in challenging conditions like heavy rain or low-light situations. Previous versions would sometimes miss pedestrians wearing dark clothing at night. A person could step off a curb into your path, and the system wouldn't register the threat until it was almost too late. The new system uses improved algorithms that can recognize these threats more reliably, initiating emergency braking when necessary. Lane keeping assist is becoming more sophisticated as well. The updated system uses more precise road edge detection and smoother steering inputs, making the assistance feel more natural and less like the car's fighting your control. Adaptive cruise control is receiving similar refinements, with smoother acceleration and deceleration patterns that make highway driving less fatiguing. These core EyeSight improvements are significant, but they're nothing compared to the two completely new safety technologies Subaru is introducing. Number 2, all-new emergency stop assist and driver focus suite. Medical emergencies behind the wheel kill thousands of drivers annually, and until now, most vehicles had no way to detect or respond to these situations. Imagine this scenario: you're driving alone on a highway when you suddenly feel chest pain. Your vision blurs, your hands go numb, and you're unable to control the vehicle. Without intervention, your car continues at highway speeds, drifting across lanes until it crashes. Emergency Stop Assist is an all-new system designed to take control if the driver becomes incapacitated. If the system detects no driver activity for a specific period while the vehicle is in motion, it initiates a carefully managed emergency response. The system first provides audio and visual warnings, attempting to alert the driver. If there's still no response, Emergency Stop Assist will gradually slow the vehicle, activate the hazard lights, and bring the Crosstrek to a controlled stop in the current lane. This intervention could be life-saving during medical events like heart attacks, strokes, or diabetic emergencies. The Driver Focus Suite builds on this foundation with continuous driver attention monitoring. Using facial recognition and eye tracking technology, the system detects signs of drowsiness or distraction before they lead to dangerous situations. When concerning behavior patterns emerge, it provides escalating alerts to refocus the driver's attention. Driver Focus also includes personalization capabilities. The system can recognize up to 5 different drivers, automatically adjusting seat positions, mirror angles, and climate preferences the moment each person gets behind the wheel. All these new features and technologies sound fantastic, but they don't matter if you can't figure out which trim level actually includes what you need, which is why the lineup reorganization is another very important change. Number 1. New trim levels and packages. Subaru completely reorganized the Crosstrek lineup for 2026. The previous trim structure forced buyers into awkward compromises, either settling for a base model that lacked key features or jumping to a premium trim that included options you'd never use. The base trim is getting a significant content upgrade. Standard equipment now includes the 2.5-liter engine, upgraded infotainment with wireless smartphone integration, and the complete EyeSight suite. This means the entry-level Crosstrek offers more capability and technology than mid-grade trims from the previous generation. The mid-range premium trim is being repositioned to focus on comfort and convenience upgrades. This trim adds heated front seats, a power driver's seat, dual-zone automatic climate control, and a roof rack, creating a sweet spot for buyers who want additional comfort without stepping up to luxury-oriented features. The sport trim continues emphasizing visual differentiation and handling dynamics with unique exterior styling, sport-tuned suspension, and distinctive wheels. Subaru is also adding new appearance packages that allow sport buyers to customize their vehicles with contrasting color accents and interior trim options. The top-tier limited trim is where the luxury and technology features concentrate. This model receives the digital instrument cluster, premium audio system, leather-trimmed upholstery, and advanced lighting systems as standard equipment. Subaru is also introducing new package options that bundle the emergency stop assist and driver focus technologies for buyers who want every available safety feature. This reorganization means you're going to find exactly the feature combination you need at a price point that makes sense. The 2026 Crosstrek represents Subaru's most comprehensive update in over a decade, eliminating the underpowered base engine that frustrated owners for years, introducing a legitimately impressive hybrid system that doesn't compromise all-wheel drive capability, modernizing an interior that desperately needed it, and adding safety technology that could genuinely save lives during medical emergencies. For anyone who dismissed previous Crosstreks as too slow, too outdated, or not worth the hybrid premium, these 6 changes eliminate every single one of those objections. With these updates, the Crosstrek will certainly solidify its market position, but the competition is shaping up as well. One of the excellent alternatives is the Chevrolet Trax, which has just received a set of important updates for 2026, which you can check out in our next video. From styling updates to a smart pricing strategy, Chevy's subcompact has just become even more appealing than before.